Hello, guys. Welcome back to our induction meeting of Career Dreams Educations. And we can proudly say that we are career, we are dreams, we are Career Dreams Educations. So, guys, before starting this induction, let me start with a positive quotation that will enlighten your internship throughout. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Well, it is rightly said that success comes to those who really work hard for it. Success can be achieved if you really work by heart and really achieve the targets by soul. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The galaxy of intellectuals, Your Excellence, invited all the chief guest, higher management, co-management, and my co-fellows. And yes, how to forget you, without whom the Career Dreams Education family is incomplete. You are a face of the Career Dreams Educations. Okay, very good quotation I just remember right now. That is, yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. And that is why it is called present. So, I just want to know you, how much you are excited for today's induction. Like, it's your first day in Career Dreams Education. How is the Josh and enthusiasm? I just want everyone to fill the chat box with amazing claps and some good emojis. Emojis can be anything what you feel like. Okay? It will, help us to start this beginning with positivity and good thoughts. So everyone, you can clap like on your welcoming, or else you can fill the chat box with amazing emojis, or else claps, whatever you feel like. I just want all the 65 claps in the chat box. Then only we'll start with today's induction and tell you to the programs which we provide to the interns. People always come here, as a guest, always, but they leave us as a family because we believe in Atiti Devo Bhava. So everyone just share this moment with a lot of amazing claps and dignified emojis, which will help us to know that how much excited you are for today's program. Until unless you will not fill the chat box, I would not able to start this induction with the positivity. So everyone, I know you all can fill those chat box with those claps. Now, you have all came here. आप सब यहाँ पर आ गए हैं. अब आपको जानने का बहुत ज़्यादा excited होंगे कि Career Dreams Educations है क्या? कंपनी के बारे में कुछ आप लोग को बता देती हूँ. ये Career Dreams Education है क्या? Career Dreams Educations is an education-oriented skill development enterprise. We are registered under MSME Act, Government of India, recognized by State Government of Rajasthan under AICTE. AICTE मतलब बोले तो All India Council of Technical Education, and IS certified, that is IS certified under 9001-2015. Well. Now you heard it right, why we are unique and why we are wordful, because we are registered under ISO 9001-2015. So guys, हर एक घर कुछ पिलर्स पे खड़ा होता है. अगर वो पिलर्स होते हैं तो घर की बुनियाद और बढ़ जाती है, राइट? उसकी पावर और बढ़ जाती है. चाहे कितने भी चैलेंजेस आ जाए, कोई भी तूफान आंधी आ जाए, वो घर कभी नहीं टूटता. ऐसी हमारा सीडी का घर उन कुछ पिलर्स की वजह से खड़ा है, जिसकी वजह से हमारा सीडी हर तरीके से अपब्रिंग एंड अपबॉट हो रहा है. So the Career Dreams Education is incomplete without the chief dignitaries of the company. So a big round of applause for Mr. Karthik Gotwal sir, Chief Executive Head, Miss Renu Bora ma'am, who is Central Counselor and Chief Operating Head, and we have Mr. Vinayak sir, who is Education Program Developer and Chief Marketing and Financial Head. Guys, यहाँ पर appreciations खत्म नहीं होती है. We have Rajiv Gupta sir and Riya Jain ma'am, who are managing and technical coordinators at Career Dreams Educations. Well, you are not powerless. Human beings instead have all the powers to accomplish whenever you desire. Guys, अगर मन में इच्छा हो तो जो आप करना चाहते हो आप उसको अचीव कर सकते हो. बस जरूरत है तो थोड़े से होप की और मोटिवेशन की. So guys, a big round of applause. Now I call upon on the mic Miss Shraddha Mishra ma'am, who is HR Manager at Career Dreams Educations. Shraddha ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, what tell about this girl? She is the perfect example of inspiration and motivation. Without her, the HR is incomplete. Ma'am, I hand over the mic to you And you shall further move with your program, ma'am, and tell about what is continuous education actually is.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, guys, hello and a very good evening to one and all present here. I am Shraddha Mishra, one of the core team member of Career Dreams Education. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome you all in this induction meet. Yes, this induction meet is to give you a brief introduction about the company you are going to be a part of, your roles and responsibilities. So, yeah, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much or almost everything. And yes, we are very happy to have you all as a team with us. So, a very big congratulations to you all on this new role. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and also shows the way. So, yes, you all are that leader who have already known that way. You are going to that way and are also going to show the way to others. So, we are very happy to have all the enthusiastic leaders like you and your fresh thoughts in our company. So, ma'am, can we please have the screen shared? Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, yes, as you all can see it on the screen, career, dreams, educations. So, as the name says, career, dreams, educations. Here in career, dreams, educations, we help the student, we motivate them, we teach them, we counsel them for their dream career. Of course, we all aspire to have a career for ourselves. We all dream for that. And for that, we work hard, we gain education. So all these, when combined together, forms our company, that is Career Dreams Educations. We are situated in Jaipur, Divya Mall, Lalkoti area. We are proudly having the recognition under MSME Act, Government of India. We are also registered under the state government of Rajasthan. We are proud to be ISO certified company. ISO, that is International Standard Organization. That is not only national, but we are having recognition of international level. We are having management quality. We are having qualifications as per the global standards. So in turns, we are giving you the confidence and assurance that you are going to work, you are going to have an internship with CDE at the global standards. And how can I forget to mention? Very proud to announce that now we are AICTE approved too. Like any technical student who are here, they might be knowing what is AICTE. I need some quick answers from you all. What is AICTE? Anyone, please be a bit more interactive so that we can like we can know that you are
All
listening to
India
us.
Council for Technical Education.
Okay, that's right. AICTE is All India Council for Technical Education. Yes, these these recognitions are like AICTE recognition is provided to a technical college that we are having. So you can understand the standard of internship that you're going to get throughout the internship. Of course, and the whole element of this internship works for the Skill India initiative. It is not only internship, it is comprehensive internship come training program. Not just a regular internship, just something more than that. Here in Career Dreams Educations, we invite young minds. Like we not only go for searching for all the qualified or experienced peoples, but what we do, we search for the young minds who are capable enough, who are aspiring to do something for themselves. Whether they are freshers, they are graduates, they are UGPG students, they are MBA aspirants or MBA pass outs, they are technical students, they are tech lancers, they are students or professionals from different spheres of education. We invite all of them all the people who are having the fresh thoughts, innovative thoughts, and creative thought to do something for something different in their life. We invite all of them. Here we are having like we have worked for managerial work. We also give you opportunity to work with our core team member, core professional members, qualified team, and share the same workplace in the competitive business environment that a business have. So the program guidelines are basically based on the concept of learn, perform, training, execution, and achievement. So learn, like you all might be understand, like you all might be having an idea. What is learning? What according to you is learning? Anyone? Just some quick answers. What according to you is learning?
To get the
Gaining
proper information,
knowledge.
related to anything.
Okay, that's quite great. Anyone
Skill.
else? Any? Yes, ma'am.
Understanding and knowledge, behavior, skills.
Okay, that's quite great. Learning new things, exploring something new.
I'm gaining new skills.
Okay. I'm getting a lot of answers in the chat box. That's quite great. That's like an interactive audience. Okay, here it feels like I'm not talking to dummies or balls. I'm talking to some people. That's quite great. So yeah, merging all your answers, what we get is learning is to get knowledge about present things and future possibilities. Not only thinking what we are going to do currently, but thinking what we want to achieve in future and preparing ourselves for that. Next, performance. Performance is applying those knowledge for in the action in such a way that we can get success. Training. Training means upgrading your knowledge, upgrading yourself, your knowledge, your skills, and your techniques of doing the things. And finally, execution and achievement. Execution, like we all can do things, like we all know things, we all do things, but doing the things in a systematic manner, systematic performance, not only just doing it with the system, with the efficiency, that is the execution. And last but not the least, that is achievement. At the end of the at the end of this internship, you should get the real benefit of career advancement and business career. That is the main achievement that you are going to have at the end of this internship. Progressing on the lines of Skill India initiative started by Government of India, we also provide placement assistance. So these are our functional management team. Can anybody of you please read this out? All our functional management team. Guys, this shows your leadership.
Can I?
May I?
Can I?
Okay, Ayushi ma'am, you can.
Career Dreams Education, a functional management team, administrative management team, career counseling team, marketing team, education R&D team, HR management team, financial management team, strategy designing and business development team, technical team, data management team.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ayushi ma'am. Okay, so now moving forward. Ma'am, please scroll. Thank you. So this is the comprehensive internship cum training program I already mentioned. It is a value-oriented approach to help aspirant develop the business skills and professional value, because we all learn those knowledge, those theoretical knowledge in the books. But when it comes to practical implications or learning those business skills or those professional values, that can be attained by an internship only. So here we provide that opportunity that get out of your books and start doing and learning. Internship is all about learning and then doing and then learning. So now moving forward, these are our 5 functional subunits. Like, you don't need to think that career dreams education is like Like career dreams education is just one roof. Under that, we have many rooms. So these different rooms are the career dreams educations, that is our general management domain. For the technical people, for the BTech or the technical aspirants, we are having Technophilia 1.0. For the finance aspirants, we are having Money Batters. For the entrepreneurship, like all the people who want to be entrepreneur and want to become something that is more than any specific subject, something that is for all the subjects, that comes under Business Now. So that Business Now is the entrepreneurial sector of career dreams educations. And last but not the least, why to think of internships only if we can go for placements also? Here we also think for your placements. So we are having Insta placements, all in one placement solutions. So in career dreams educations, our functional subunits in career dreams education's general management, we are having our functional subunits of HR management, marketing management, content writing and analytical compilation, social media handling, digital marketing, business R&D, educational R&D and analytical management, and event management. Technical internship domains and technophilia includes web designing and development, Android app development, machine learning, graphic designing and content compilation, SEO and digital marketing handling, social media tech handling, e-commerce handling, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. And in the financial internship domain at Money Batters, we are having insurance management, investment management, income tax and elite services, GST, and elite services handling, financial training with R&D, business financial analysis, business legal formalities and documentations and registrations. And under the entrepreneurship development internship at Business Now, we are having many different domains, including supply chain management, operational management, project management, product development, risk management, business performance, and HR audit management. All these things comes under our Business Now domain. So this is the Skillgram. Skillgram, that is Career Dreams Educations and its functional subunits. Our vision and efforts are always directed towards the skill development to forge a competitive global environment for socio-economic, environmental growth based on trust, honesty, and reliance. So we at Career Dreams Educations, along with our functional subunits, are solemnly committed to ensure proficient skill building for all our young aspirants who are all set to strengthen the new age of 21st century, to unleash our dream of making India as global superpower in every aspect. So here we offer 15 days crash internship come training program, 30 days super internship come training program, and 45 days business internship come training program. And these are the working areas under which you are going to work. For the marketing people, we are having telemarketing, calling marketing, social media marketing, digital marketing, personalized marketing, business networking, and client customization. Then we are having digital marketing, social media handling, and HR management. HR management are having like HR business recruitment, selection assessment, interview schedule assessment, tech access, and database management. For content writing and compilation, we are having business presentation, video making, poster making, letter drafting, content customization, content formatting, and script making. Educational R&D, event management, and business R&D. So these are our functional subunit under the general management domain of career dreams educations. So next we are having is our financial domain, that is money barters. So under money barters, we are having Money Barters was established in 2021. It is a specialized financial management unit where we provide customized services to our clients. We work on live projects. We allow all the interns to work on the live projects with us. We allow them to have portfolio management, asset management, funds allocation, capital structuring, taxation, and BRF, business regulatory framework. We at Money Barters are dedicatedly engaged in providing online financial services and core financial knowledge assistance with due adherence to our mission of creating wealthy happiness. Creating wealthy happiness is our tagline for Money Barters. So it is the specialized financial management and financial analysis wing. So here we came for the financial wing of Career Dreams Education. So yeah, this was the second room under the roof of Career Dreams Education. First one was our general management. Second one was our money barters, that is financial wing. So you might be thinking like we are having only one domain like general management for which you are, but no, we are having a bunch of different domains. So our core working areas are under the financial domain, financial training with R&D, business financial analysis, insurance, investment, income tax and elite services, GST and elite services, business legal formalities and documentation with registration assistance. Our knowledge areas include capital structuring and fund management, that's having e-gold investment, health plan, term plan, EBIT, EPS analysis, stock market mechanism, market capitalization. Second, second area that we're having is analysis of global financial market. Not only the financial markets of India, that is NSE or BSE, but the financial markets of all over the global working. That is Sensex, Nifty, Kospi, Nikkei, FTSE, Hang Seng, Trans-Asian stock market analysis, and global stock market analysis. And next one is Feb 2021, budget segmentation analysis and taxation scope. That includes income tax, its deductions, slab analysis with illustrations, procedure for assessment for individuals, partnership firm, company, and many more. And last but not the least, that is GST, the current burning topic. GST and its implications, its registrations, its scope, HSN coding, rates analysis, annual return filing, reverse mechanism, composition scheme, and all. So the third domain is technical domain or our technical wing, that is Technophilia 1.0. Technophilia signifying a strong enthusiasm for technology, because we all know, right, that today is the era of technology. Today is the era of digitalization. One of them is for the technology, tech-oriented people, and for the technology people who wants to be technologically sound. Our Technophilia is basically for them. We cherish new technologies, build contemporary tech knowledge with life-oriented tech solution. That's what we do share at Technophilia 1.0. So our functional wing in Technophilia includes Technophilia have its own technical HR management, technical marketing management, technical content and graphics designing, technical research and analysis wing. So as you can see, these are our core operational areas under web designing and development. We are also having Android app development, graphic designing, SEO and digital marketing, e-commerce handling, social media handling, cyber security mechanism, and artificial intelligence. So under the technical HR management, we are having all these subunits or sub-functions, sub-functional areas that they include their own recruitment, interview calls, confirmation calls, and all. They have their own all of these things. Technical marketing and marketing analysis. This domain has all of the marketing functions under the technical domain. Then the technical content compilation and customization. This include content writing and compilation, images and graphics designing, videos, and MP4 designing and formatting. And the core of Technophilia 1.0 is our research and analysis wing. There we have tech solutions to business challenges, technical client customization, technical product orientation and development, technical feasibility analysis, reviewing with tech assessment, and innovation and incubation assistance. Next one we have is our entrepreneurial sector. Because here in Career Dreams Educations, we don't train you to become only an employee in future. We don't want you to be job seekers. We want you to be job providers. So Business Now is a solution for that. In Business Now, we provide you opportunity to work in multiple domains and gaining knowledge and expertise in different domains. We don't restrict you to just one domain. We provide you opportunities to go for different domains and become an entrepreneur, not just an employee. Like this is the route from an employee to an entrepreneur. So the Business Now is the exclusive business development cell that is designed by the management and technical experts to build and develop entrepreneurship among Indian youth, with an all-equipped team having a core comprehensive approach towards innovation, business development. We share the vision of forging an environment for initiative and innovation. We provide client customized business development consultancy, technical support, and management resources with market research and development analysis to enable smooth and ease of business. So under business development technical support services, we have business official website, card and profile building, customized logo, video profile, listing, social media marketing and promotion, digital marketing support, and technical maintenance services. Business development, financial, legal support services includes business regulation, business taxation, business accounting, e-banking, and e-payment support. Business development with HR support services includes HR selection assessment, induction and training, performance management, and corporate business recruitment. Business promotion and marketing PR, business brand management. So yes, as I already mentioned, we not only go for like internships, we work for your placements also. So this is a solution for your placements that you are going to get. That is Insta Placements. All in one placement solution. So it is a specialized HR management placement wing designed and developed strategically by our strategic management team at Career Dreams Educations to provide highly competent placement support services to both the employers and the job aspirants. Insta placement services for candidates and job aspirants include exclusive web portal, personalized corporate CV, personalized video profile, GDPI preparations, employment news updates, 24/7 online digital support. Services for companies and organizations we have business recruitments, HR CV proliferation, HR assessment, selection and prelims interview scheduling, training and orientation, and performance measurement. So now, like, you might be thinking that you heard so much of things. This company is this, company is that, company do this, these are the domains. So you might be thinking, what is the benefit of this program? Like, why should we do this, right? You all are here for doing your internship. So you need to know what are the. Okay, no problem, Astha ma'am. You can keep trying to join. Okay, so you might be thinking, what are the benefits of the program? So these are the benefits that you are going to get in this internship or in this comprehensive internship come training program. Practical business exposure. Obviously, we learn a lot in books, right? We have a lot of subjects. We have 7 to 8 subjects in one semester or in one year, right? But we need to be specialized. We need to be good in something that makes us happy or makes us interested. So for working, here we provide not only those theoretical knowledge, but we give you an opportunity to be in practical work environment, practical business environment, and making you think that how you would work in your work environment, how you are going to work in the business environment, in the real business scenario. Your working will be helped by us. We also give recognitions with certificate of internship. Yes, this line, like I might be saying, yeah, everybody over here who is working with career education still now will agree that we keep on giving recognitions for all the good work that you have done. If you are doing something extraordinary or something different from your domain, or if you are doing excellently well in your domain, you are going to get a lot of recognitions. And if your work is found to be good by like of a standard, obviously we are going to certify you, we are going to give you recognitions for that. Performance appraisal with certification of work excellence. Your good performance will always be appraised by our seniors and our company, and you will receive a certificate of work excellence for that. You can also get cash rewards and performance based incentives. Yes, if your performance was of a level that our company have found to be of a standard level, so that standard level performance will be rewarded with some cash incentives and monetary benefits. So you are going to get performance based incentives. So your performance will also help you get some monetary incentives or some cash rewards for you. You can also avail job oriented HR training with personality development sessions and skill enhancement sessions. We continuously keep on providing you personality development and skill enhancement sessions for your overall and holistic development. You can also get opportunity to avail multiple interview opportunities to maximize your chance of final placement in diverse industries. So, well, these were the benefits of this whole CITP, that is Comprehensive Internship Cum Training Program. Ma'am, please go for the certificates page. Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. So these are the areas of certifications that you will be getting. You will get a certificate of internship and certificate of work excellence. These both are like a compulsion. After the completion of internships, you will be getting these two certificates. Next one is certificate of recognition. If you are going to become the project head of any program, like here, we not only give you two opportunities to work in your domain, we give you multiple opportunities. It's all about how can you gain and grab those opportunities and come up of your like comfort level. Because if you can't come up your comfort level, if you can't think out of the box, you are very lacking in this world. So we give some all those people who come out of their comfort level and have an excellently power think out of the box. Certificate of appreciation. If you are doing multi-dimensional role in during the internship, you are going to get certificate of appreciation for this. Certificate of leadership if you are assessed as a team leader and team head, because all the team leaders, like as you all might have seen that serial क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी. So yeah, so all the team leaders, ये जो सारे team leaders हैं, जो team heads हैं, ये भी कभी interns ही थे. So yes, we got that appreciation, we got that recognition, we got that appraisal. So you also have that opportunity in your hand to be appraised. If you are showing your enthusiasm in your work, if your work is of a good level. Certificate of participation. If you are participating in any event, you are going to get a certificate of participation. Certificate of acknowledgement. If you are playing a key role at executive level, you are going to get a certificate of acknowledgement. Certificate of excellence. If you have achieved the standard level performance that is set by our company, you are going to get certificate of excellence. Certificate of ethical professional conduct for exemplifying high degree of behavioral and professional integrity. Certificate of innovation for developing and executing innovative modules. As I mentioned, if you can think out of the box, Career Dreams Education is a pool of opportunities for you. So keep thinking out of the box because all these certificates are awaiting for you. Certificates for knowledge excellency. If you are knowledgeable enough, so you can hold a knowledge-oriented webinar with research and development insights into the concerned knowledge domain as a main speaker. So you're going to get certificate for knowledge excellency for that webinar. So these are our core management team. As Satakshi ma'am already mentioned, these are the people who can never be forgotten whenever we are going for the company introduction or for anything. These are the main pillars, or these are the stars without whom the sky is always incomplete. We are having Mr. Karthik Gotwal sir, founder and chief executive head. We are having Miss Renu Bora ma'am, central counselor and chief operating head. We also have Mr. Vinayak Saxena sir, edu program developer and chief marketing and financial head. And as always mentioned by each and every intern, the mastermind of Career Dreams Educations. We are also having the executive level management that includes Mr. Rajiv Gupta sir, our managing head, general management, Mr. Kaushik sir, our managing head, Money Batters, Mrs. Shikha Garodia ma'am, managing head at Money Batters, Miss Ria Jain ma'am, managing head of Technophilia 1.0, Miss Jaisal Gotwal ma'am, managing head Business Now, and Mr. Rajat Sarma sir, managing head Insta Placements. So you can see these are our registered office address, branch office address. You can also get connected with us. We are having our presence on careerdreams.co.in, our own website. You can mail us at careerdreamseducations@gmail.com. You can also join us and watch our activities on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. You can also call us for the details. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So now, you might have got a lot of information about the company. Now, I hand over the mic to Satakshi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. So, guys,
Over to you, ma'am.
thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Shraddha, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, guys, let me tell you some rules and you might say a code of conduct which every CDN follows throughout the internship. Okay, listen to these instructions, kindly listen to them very clearly because I am not going to repeat them again and not any of the team leader after the internship will start. First, very important, in Career Educations, we always gesture everyone with sir and ma'am.
We never say them by their names. Like for example, if there is Shraddha ma'am or Rajiv sir, we always gesture them with Rajiv sir and Shraddha ma'am. Okay, so be very particular with these things. And also, if you have your fellow mates with you, the fellow teammates, you have to gesture them with sir and ma'am. Okay, no one will call them by their names. कि for example, आयुषी सुनना, आयुषी ये ना, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. Be very particular. ठीक है. Second thing, if you have any queries, you can ask those queries till 8 p.m. In the evening. After 8 p.m., no queries will be solved by the team leaders. ठीक है. अगर आप लोगों को कोई queries है तो आप जब तक वो queries पूछ सकते हैं, उसके बाद वो queries आपको solve नहीं होंगी. ठीक है. The time of internship is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. को आपको अपना पहला टास्क मिलेगा कल से. ठीक है. Be prepared and everyone has to complete the task. ठीक है. The timings are quite flexible. ठीक है. If for example you have exam tomorrow, you can do that task day after tomorrow or after the examination. ठीक है. Third thing, अगर आप लोग को leave चाहिए, you will give your form, fill that form and take leave. Leave will not be granted for more than 2 days. ठीक है. And the ones who will take leave for examination, you have to submit the schedule sheet to us and then you can take the leave for 5 to 7 days. But unnecessary leave will not be granted by the company. Fourth, very much important, अगर आप लोग टास्क नहीं करते हो एंड अगर आप लोग टीम लीडर्स को पोक करते हो कि हमें टास्क क्यों मिल रहा है, तो बेसिकली यू विल बी टर्मिनेटेड ऑन द स्पॉट बाय द हायर मैनेजमेंट. ओके, दैट कंसिडरेशन विल बी ब्रॉट अप अंडर राजीव गुप्ता सर, हु इज मैनेजिंग हेड एट अंडर जनरल मैनेजमेंट. एंड इफ यू आर फ्रॉम टेक्निकल देन डेफिनेटली रिया जैन मैम. ठीक है. और श्रद्धा मैम. ओके, सो अगर आप लोग ये बोलते हो कि हमारा टास्क नहीं है और हमें क्यों मिल रहा है, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल टर्मिनेटेड. ठीक है. Activeness and enthusiasm are the key to success under CDN. If you're not active, not enthusiastic, then definitely no team leader will able to help you or grab your best of it. ठीक है? Got this clear, everyone? The timing of the task will be given at 10 a.m. sharp in the morning, and the completion report will be taken at 8 p.m. sharp in the evening. ठीक है? After that, no queries will be solved. Get this thing very clear. No one will call their fellow interns पर्सनली ऑन कॉल्स एंड मैसेजेस. बोलने का मतलब ये है कि आप अपने फेलो इंटर्न्स को बिना परमिशन के कॉल या मैसेज नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है. बी वेरी क्लियर विद दैट. ना आप कॉल करोगे ना आप बातें करोगे. अगर आप लोग कुछ बात करनी है, यू कैन टॉक इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप विच इज बीन प्रोवाइडेड. लाइक आफ्टर दिस इंडक्शन मीटिंग यू विल पैड विद द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप. ठीक है. गेट दिस थिंग वेरी क्लियर. लास्ट पॉइंट, आप सबको इस इंडक्शन के बाद अपने अपने रिस्पेक्टिव ग्रुप्स में ऐड कर दिया जाएगा. ठीक है. वही ग्रुप में आपका टीम लीडर्स आपका इंट्रोडक्शन लेंगे, आप लोग अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे और टीम लीडर्स को वेलकमिंग वे में जेस्चर करोगे और टीम लीडर्स आपको जेस्चर करेंगे ना वेलकमिंग वे. ठीक है. सो गाइस, दीज पॉइंट्स प्लीज बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज फॉलो एथिक्स एंड देयर आर सम कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट व्हिच एवरी कंपनी फॉलो एंड सो डू आवर कंपनी. ठीक है. अगर कोई भी चीज इसके अगेंस्ट जाती है, डेफिनेटली स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन विल बी टेकन बाय द कंपनी. एंड नो पर्सन, आई एम टेलिंग दिस अगेन एंड अगेन, नो पर्सन विल लीव द इंटर्नशिप इन बिटवीन. अगर आप लोग इंटर्नशिप को बीच में छोड़ते हैं, definitely strict action will be taken by us through your placement officers. Like जो आपके placement officer है आपके कॉलेज के, उनके पास आपके लिए मेल जाएगा आपके परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर. तो बीच में इंटर्नशिप छोड़ना है का सोचना भी मत. Get this thing very clear. As a manager, I'm telling you, you will not leave the internship in between. अगर छोड़ना है तो write an application, get it signed by the management, and then you can leave the internship. But don't take this internship like हाँ इंटर्नशिप ही तो है, हो जाएगी. ये बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. ये इंटर्नशिप है, मगर यहाँ पर हम लोग कुछ कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट फॉलो करते हैं जो हम आप लोगों से अभी बता रहे हैं बिफोर द इंटर्नशिप. एंड गाइज, वेलकम टू करियर एजुकेशन एंड वी टीम लीडर्स आर ऑलवेज देयर टू हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट यू. ठीक है. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट अस डायरेक्टली ऑन द व्हाट्सएप और यू कैन कॉल अस डायरेक्टली ऑन द फोन. Okay guys, is it clear? Just give me thumbs up on the chat box if you're clear with the rules and regulation. Gives a thumbs up, everyone on the chat box. Excuse me. Everyone, I just want all 62 chat, क्योंकि ये सब कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट है तो मैं बार नहीं बताऊंगी, ना ही कोई टीम लीडर बताएगा. ये लास्ट मैंने बता दिया, मैं आगे से नहीं बताऊंगी इसको. तो चैट बॉक्स में जरा थम्स अप में बताइए मुझे आप लोगों को समझ में आया है या नहीं आया है. Everyone, I just want all 62 responses, then only I'll move forward because already 6:05 is already too late. So अपने टास्क को लेकर और इंटर्नशिप को लेकर सीरियस हो जाओ. जो टास्क मिलेगा आप लोगों को करना है एट एनी कॉस्ट, बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक. आई डोंट वांट एनी टाइप ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स देयर कि हमसे नहीं हो पा रहा है. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है तो वी आर देयर टू मोटिवेट यू, बट कोशिश आपको करनी होगी एट द एंड, ठीक है? ऑल एवरीवन 62 अभी आए नहीं, अभी सिर्फ 20 ही आए हैं, बाकी लोग कहाँ है, सो रहे हैं क्या इंडक्शन में? एक्सक्यूज मी। मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी नहीं जब तक मुझे 62 रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलेगा। एक्सक्यूज मी। अगर आप लोग को सक्सेस पाना है ना, डेफिनेटली सक्सेस मिलेगा यहाँ पर, अगर मेहनत करोगे और जितना ज्यादा आप दिखाई दोगे इंटर्नशिप में, उतना ज्यादा आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगी बाय राजीव सर, फॉर श्योर है। यहाँ पर जो इंसान दिखता है वही इंसान को सबसे ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है, एंड वी आर सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इट, ठीक है? तो अगर आप लोग अपने काम को दिखाओगे और मोटिवेट रहोगे, डेफिनेटली यू विल द बेस्ट इंटर्न्स पासिंग फ्रॉम करियर्स एजुकेशन विद बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज। अभी भी 62 रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया है वहां पर चैट बॉक्स में, बाकी लोग जो सो रहे हो सो जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ये बातें फिर से बताऊंगी नहीं मैं, फॉर श्योर है। ओके, सो राजीव सर, एक्सक्यूज मी।
मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम। अच्छा, ओके।
Yes. Satakshi ma'am, I was telling that Vinayak sir is joining. So let's
Okay.
wait for 5 minutes. He'll be joining in 5 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, so guys, everyone just wait for 5 more minutes more, and Vinayak sir is joining, the our chief dignitary management. He is joining us. So be everyone. 63 people कोई meeting नहीं leave करेगा। 63 के 63 मुझे meeting में चाहिए, and I don't want that you leave the meeting. I want that you stay in the meeting because sir will tell you something important, and that is important for everyone. ठीक है? तो wait for 5 minutes because patience is equal to success. Okay? So all the people just calm and wait and relax, okay? And stay tuned, something is coming big for you, okay? So let's wait for 5 more minutes, and then as soon as sir will join, we'll wish him, and as soon as Virat sir will join, everyone will wish him with good evening sir, everyone in the chat box, or else you can open up your mic and speak, ठीक है? ठीक है, ठीक है, thank you. सिद्धि मैम, सिद्धि मैम, कोई राहुल सर नाम के शख्स हैं जो कि अभी मीटिंग ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हैं, मगर उनका अनेबल हो रहा है, तो एक बार चेक करिए क्या उनकी रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है आपके पास? Yeah, Rahul sir is there. So guys, if you have any issues, till then Vinayak sir is joining among us. Till then, if you have any issues, you can open the mic, and definitely Shraddha ma'am and we will solve the queries. ठीक है? कोई भी queries हो, अपनी बताइए हमें. Induction में कुछ समझ में नहीं आया हो तो बताइए. हम अभी solve कर देते हैं till the time sir is joining. ठीक है? Anyone, if you have any queries regarding any of the domain or any of the, you know, thing which is not understandable, right? So you can write on the chat box or else you can ask. Okay?
Till then, if you're having any queries, you can write that in the chat box or you feel free to ask us. Anything you want to know about internship, about your working, about what is going to be you are working here. Yes, of course. You are going to be divided into team because you will be having your different team leaders because we don't want you all, like if we are having 100 people, so we don't want that all those 100 people should go in one team only. We want
Good
you
evening,
to
Vinayak
have
sir.
Okay, guys, a very good evening to everyone present over here, to all the team managers, team leaders, and team heads,
Good
and to
evening,
all the team
sir.
coordinators,
Good
and
evening,
to
sir.
every new person who has been
Good
in this
evening,
meeting
Vinayak sir.
Good evening,
as a
sir.
new young
Good evening,
aspirant
sir. Good evening, sir.
for internship. Very good evening to
Good
everyone,
evening,
guys,
sir.
and welcome once again to
Good evening,
Career
sir.
Dreams
Good evening,
Education,
sir.
where we fulfill your dreams and we give you the best of career opportunity for your future. So, one of the finest good evening to everyone, guys, and welcome to our organization where educations, dreams, and skills convert into opportunity. Thank you so much, guys, for your response over here. Thank you so much, here, guys. First, let me confirm. Am I audible to everyone, guys? Shraddha ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, guys. And to everyone, guys, to every young mind who wants to have a great career, this internship, the comprehensive internship come training program is a platform जहां पे आप लोग परफॉर्म करेंगे not as an intern but as an entrepreneur who can make decision. And guys, before I speak, let me introduce myself. This side Vinayak Saxena here, and I am the Chief Marketing Head, Financial Head, and Edu Program Developer at Career Dream Educations. So, guys, I am the person who maintain marketing, the financial duties, and the education program. In this induction meeting, I just give you one simple idea. Guys, if you want to work as an intern, सिर्फ internship करनी है, certificate चाहिए, there are lot and lot more opportunities available. Thank you so much, guys, for this response here. But guys, in this internship, we will give you the challenge of entrepreneurship. I want some answers, guys. What is entrepreneurship? क्या होती है entrepreneurship? What is this entrepreneurship and business building called? What's your idea? Any one of you guys, feel free to speak up and show me your confidence.
Hello, good evening, sir. Sir,
Okay, Shivani,
Shivani
I
this
think your
side.
voice
Sir,
is
I would
getting
like
a
to,
bit low. Let me just put the volume. Yes, ma'am. Please continue.
sir, I would like to answer the question.
Please, ma'am.
Sir, an entrepreneur is a person who starts his or her own business,
Right.
and he is the sole owner of the business, and he lays the foundation of the business. He plans the whole idea and concept for the business himself.
True, ma'am. In one word, entrepreneur वो है who take the decision for the organization. Guys, we will expect same quality from you people. You are young people, the youth of India, the future of India, the face of the rising economy of India. who take the risk. Definitely, business is equal to profit, and profit तब होगा जब आप लोग risk लेंगे. And guys, entrepreneur is the person who take the risk. और रिस्क लेना कैसे है? आई थिंक आपको कोई स्टंट करके नहीं दिखाना. यू डोंट नीड टू परफॉर्म अ स्टंट और एनी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी वर्क. यू हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन. अगर आपने डिसीजन लिया है, अगर वो डिसीजन सक्सेसफुल हो जाता है, यू आर टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. और अगर वो डिसीजन फेल हो गया, डेफिनेटली in that case, you will be going one step down. So guys, it's like a game of leadership, a game of power, a game of motivation, a game of management. Ultimately, this is the so-called business, BUSINESS. I think ये हर किसी को नहीं मिलता है. You are the lucky one who have taken this opportunity to be the entrepreneur, the face of the future economy. And in this session, guys, let me confirm one thing. I want few people, any random people, to just put their idea. What you expect? आपकी उम्मीदें क्या हैं? What are you expecting from internship? Any random person can put his idea. Definitely, Asta ma'am.
Corporate
Yes,
experience.
Okay, you want corporate experience? Truly impressive.
Good
Anyone?
evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Please, sir. What's your expectation from the internship?
So, getting experience and the learning new thing.
So true, sir. And I want one more person to have his view.
Hello, sir.
We are getting creative.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
I
sir.
want to learn invaluable skills.
So true, learning. And one more random answer. I got leadership skills experience. So true, ma'am.
Enhance.
And anyone more?
Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah, so expectations from this internship is basically learn new things,
Okay.
get practical knowledge, practical training, which this
So
is
true.
providing us. So that is very great.
Truly impressive, truly impressive. I think what Asta ma'am is telling, valuable skills for the future, guys. This internship is all about your future planning, how you take your career in the next moment, the next day, the next week, the next month, or the next years. In this complete scenario, one thing is sure, guys. In this internship, you have to decide your task. We will not give you target कि ये करना है, वो करना है. You have to coordinate with your team. You have to discuss कि this is my specialty. If you say कि sir, HR is my best forte, then you can design your own program. You can design your own target. We give you the freedom designing your own program. Basically, we are educational institution, career dreams education. But in this educational field, we have 4 sisters with us. Technophilia, the technical wing, Money Barters, the financial wing, Insta Placement, the placement cell, and ultimately the BAP of all department, Business Now. If you want to have the risk कि नहीं मुझे तो चैलेंज लेना पसंद है, then you are eligible and invited for Business Now. And this comes all under career dreams education, management, financial and technical internship. Now, Siddhi ma'am, could you please present the screen over here?
Yes,
The
sir.
welcoming note, please, ma'am. Sure, Riddhi ma'am. See, I like the word innovation. Guys, in this internship, 3 I you will see 3 I. Innovation, interest, and initiative. Nai soch, innovation. Initiative, nai pehal. And interest, nai chah. If you have the interest, let's bring on innovations. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much here. So, guys, before we move on towards the working areas, this is the scope of internship. Guys, we are ISO certified organization. We are certified from International Standard Organization. That means the management of career dream education is having the global quality. So being ISO, we are proud to say that we work on global standard. First point. Second, we are under the guidelines of AICTE. We are one of those few companies of Rajasthan जो directly AICTE से approved है. Guys, do you know what is AICTE? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
It's All India Council of Technical Education. It is that organization which actually authorizes the colleges for education. So as per the AICTE guidelines, we are giving you internship, not for learn. Guys, everybody told me, na, you want internship for learning, but guys, लर्निंग तब अच्छी लगती है जब आप स्कूल कॉलेजेस में होते हो. दिस इंटर्नशिप इज नॉट फॉर लर्निंग, इट इज फॉर परफॉर्मिंग. गलती होगी कोई बात नहीं, डू द मिस्टेक, बट एटलीस्ट यू आर डूइंग समथिंग दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट, नॉट फॉर लर्निंग बट फॉर परफॉर्मिंग. PERFORM. जस्ट कोड दिस 7 वर्ड्स इन योर माइंड. अगर आप सोच भी रहे हो, सिर्फ सोचना काफी नहीं होगा. परफॉर्मेंस मैटर्स अ लॉट गाइज. इट्स ऑल अबाउट performing. Fail हो गए कोई बात नहीं, but you perform. That's a great deal. And guys, on your screen, so true Sachin sir, performance is what the world is waiting for. As Indian students, हम पढ़ाई करते हैं knowledge के लिए. But guys, we prepare the student for global standard. We want the global standard, and that's why we do internship for performance. Guys, let me show you the screen over here. This internship is divided in 4 categories, where 4 packages are available based on the opportunity and benefit. If you see, the biggest internship program comes under the diamond category of 500 rupees. Guys, the monetary value is not important. Why we are charging the fees? Because this is the fees you have to pay when you get connected with an ISO certified company approved by AICTE. We are having a strong legal backup. That's why, as per the norms, as per the rules and regulation, we are charging a limited fees to make sure you get 100% assurity. In the diamond package, you can see internship will be there. 45 days internship, which is guaranteed. If you want to increase, you can go to 60, 75, 90, 120, highest 180 days you can go for internship in the same package. Then we have 2 training programs. Guys, for the management people, technical people, financial people, we have a bulk, a team of trainers जो आपको train करेगी management के लिए. Then we have workshops. Guys, do you know? Let me know the answer. आप मुझे बताइए workshop क्यों जरूरी होती है? What is the importance of workshop? I want your people answer. क्यों होती है workshop?
Sir, to gain knowledge.
और कुछ better answer?
Experience.
I want a more better answer. एक word जो मैंने
Learn
पहले बताया.
practice something new.
Practice. I think to practice and to learn something new. I think in the schools we have learned management, planning, organizing, staffing. सबने पढ़ा है. But in workshop you have to perform. And guys, when I say performs, it means decision making. Yesterday we have completed a 3 days global workshop where we have invited the management head of Vettel Group from France. He is the managing head. He is the faculty of Vettel Group of hotels in France. We have also invited the president of Havells Group. Guys, do you know what is Havells Group? Any idea? Havells. नाम सुना है कभी आपने?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
किससे जुड़ा है ये नाम? Havells.
Sir, electric appliances, I guess.
Yes, sir.
It's an international company. It's an MNC across the globe, and we have invited the president of the company, Mr. Anil Basin, for having a 1-hour lecture session for our interns. It is included in your workshop. Guys, it is not so easy. ये कहने में अच्छा लगता है, but it is not easy to get these big people directly coming for your support and for your guidance. So when we are charging a fees from you people, guys, there are benefit. We give you global opportunities, taking you to the business setup related to Europe, particularly France and Germany, particularly to Thailand, Malaysia, and those areas where we want you people to be global. And that's why in this fee structure, for 500 rupees, you have internship, you have training programs, you have 2 workshops, 2 business competition, 8 certifications are guaranteed. Not only 8 is the minimum. If you perform more, definitely the certificate will be increased. Letter of reference, personalized CV. Guys, letter of reference is very important. If you go for a placement, तो आप सर्टिफिकेट बाद में दिखाओगे, पहले आपको लेटर दिखाना पड़ेगा, कहां से आए हो आप इंटर्नशिप करके. We are proud to say Career Dream is a fully authorized company. So You can show this letter to prove that you are a genuine intern. Then you have a CV. We will design your CV. We are an authorized company. We are there's a corporate company. We design your CV. ऐसा CV तो दूसरी companies को अच्छा लगेगा. Then we will design a video for you. Then we will give you placement support for 6 months. Your internship get over, but we will give you support like interview training, job updates, WhatsApp support, calling support for your placement. And finally, if you perform, definitely exclusive website, a one-page website will be made for you people. This is the benefit of, and I think the benefit is more than the monetary amount. Workshops for national and international level, training programs, and exclusive website with your CV and video. This is what the benefit of super internship, 500 rupees, the diamond package. Guys, don't calculate the money value. The benefit you are getting, not for today, but for the future, that is more important. Similarly, if you go to the platinum package, rupees 300 rupees, it is quite decent. The last benefit will not be there. The website, the web page will not be assessed. Rest all the benefit will be there with one training and 2 workshops. Again, if you feel so, you can go for a gold package, 200 rupees, 1 workshop, 1 training, 1 competition with letter and CV. Guys, just the benefit will be decreased. But the point is that how you see your career, आप अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, that matters a lot. And finally, the silver internship of 100 rupees. So it depends what type of payout you take for yourself. The focus is think like a business person. Benefit ज़्यादा होगा, वहाँ पे investment सही रहता है. And we have taken very small and big precaution designing the package so that वो आपके लिए affordable हो. Plus, the benefit should be more and more than the package. If you go to design your CV, designing the CV is only 200, 300 rupees. A workshop, the price of 1 workshop is 100 rupees. 2 workshop, 200 rupees. 2 training program, 200 rupees. So guys, if you see the total costing, it is much higher than the package. The point is, it is not internship. ये सिर्फ internship नहीं है. It's a world of opportunity, workshops, training, competitions, quizzes, certificates, official recognition, and many more. Now it's up to you people. If you think and if you dare, if you have the guts to be the entrepreneur, the face of the future, most welcome, guys. Most welcome to Career Dream Educations. Ultimately, this race is for the winners. इस रेस में जो दौड़ रहे हैं वो सब winners हैं, because losers are not meant for the championship. In this internship, we believe everyone has to think and perform like a winner, because losers don't stand anywhere. Do you agree with me, guys? I want some answers. Yes or no? Do you agree with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
For the winners only.
Yes,
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And maybe it can happen कि आप में कुछ कमी होगी, you feel demotivated. Guys, forget about all these things. This internship is for those people who are the best. At Career Dream Educations, we are the best. Shraddha ma'am knows this. We are the best. This is the tagline for every intern. And if you are not the best, guys, we will make you the best. But have the attitude. Bring that passion. Think like a business manager, entrepreneur, a boss, the owner, the king. Because in this world, only winners survive. If you are a loser, nobody will help you, guys. अगर आप कमजोर हैं, दुनिया आपका मजाक बनाएगी, आपको संतावना देगी, आपके कंधे पे हाथ रख के आपको तसल्ली देगी, but आपके पीठ पीछे आपका मजाक उड़ाएगी. And guys, we are the managers of the future. We create the future with you people. Ultimately, get, set, and go. Let the race begin with great enthusiasm. And to bring on the energy, guys, I want some thumbs up in the chat box. Give me some thumbs up, some emojis and energies in the chat box, guys. I want to see some energy. I think सिर्फ मैं ही मिलूंगी.
Yes, sir, we are the best.
In the chat box. And that feeling, what ma'am says, we are the best. वो सिर्फ शब्दों में नहीं, आपके attitude में दिखना चाहिए. Because we are the face of the future. We are the future of India, guys. We are the future. And when we have the power, nobody can stop us. This is Career Dreams Education, and welcome here once again. So, guys, I have shown you the packages right from 500, 300, 200, and 100. We have welcoming opportunity for everyone. Guys, मौका सिर्फ एक बार मिलता है. Get the best benefit. Get the best benefit. That is our motto, to give you the best edge, the benefit with competition. So welcome to Career Dream Education. You will be getting in touch with Shraddha ma'am, Siddhi ma'am, and Kyosha ma'am, who are the team managers. Rajiv sir, who is the managing head of management. Riya ma'am, she is the managing head of technical team. Kaushik sir and Shikha ma'am, and Dinu sir, the authorities for the financial team. Ultimately, you shall be having Renu ma'am, who is the central counseling and chief operating head at Career Dream Educations. And you will be having Karthik sir, the whole and soul CEO, the founder of the organization. Guys, we are a big team. Legion. We are a legion. We are a team. And we fight to win the battles. I think there is a Google form given in the chat box. Before you leave this meeting, just get this Google form completed so that we can have your responses. And wish you all the best, guys. And welcome to Career Dream Education once again. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir.
Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for such an amazing session, sir. And I hope your people have now learnt about those everything, sir, what they can achieve in career education. And sir, we can proudly say that yes, we are Career Dreams Educations. Thank you,
And
sir.
guys, we are the best always. Thank you so much, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Yes. So, guys, there's a link in the chat box. Just click on that link, everyone, and join that link. And also, if you have any issues regarding the packages, you may consult from us as well in the group as well. Whatever problems you have, you can let us know so that we can solve them. Okay. And if you don't have any issues, you can, Raju sir, can wind up the meeting.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Vinayak, sir?
So,
Okay.
Vinayak sir.
Vinayak,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, ma'am. You can conclude the sessions. Shraddha,
Okay.
ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please मेरा chat box में number send कर दीजिए, ma'am.
Okay, sir, definitely.
Best of luck, guys, and देखते हैं आप लोग वर्क कैसा करते हैं और आप लोग इंटर्नशिप में कितना लर्न करते हैं. और कोई भी क्वेरी के लिए आप लोग प्लीज मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं. 10 to 8. Okay, everybody? Yes, Satakshi, ma'am. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, so guys, if you have entered the link, so you can wind up we can wind up the meeting now. You can take rest and be ready for tomorrow's task. And after this, all the team leaders add the people in your respective groups. Groups are being formed by Shraddha ma'am. So be prepared, and everyone, all the people add in your groups, whatever lists have been provided to you. And yes, be very particular, team leaders, okay? Prepare the groups and add everyone in the respective group. Okay, guys, you will be adding the groups, and now time to gesture and welcome your team leaders, and it's time to talk to them. Okay, so guys, welcome to Career Dreams Educations, and all the best. So you can leave the meeting now, everyone. Take rest and have tea, study, because
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.
Thank
yeah,
you,
thank
ma'am.
you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Google form, you can
Thank you,
start
ma'am.
using.
yeah.
Please
Fill the
make
Google
sure
form and then
Thank
fill
you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. You can leave.